Hi guys, this is Shashank and welcome back to Academy. Before we start today's video, let me remind you to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. Hi guys, welcome back to Excel VBA Series Part 5, that is protecting and saving your macros. So in my earlier video we have discussed that how to modify your recorded macros or VBA codes. But in this video we will talk about that how to protect your macros or VBA codes. So why do you need to protect your macros or VBA codes? So let us assume that you have prepared an Excel worksheet with Excel VBA macros or VBA codes, and you need to send that Excel worksheet to your clients or to your colleagues, but you want them to use your macros, but you don't want them to see what is happening inside the macro, or you don't want them to edit or modify the macros. So in these cases the protection of macros comes into play. So let us understand that how to protect your macros. First of all, you need to go to Developer tab, then go to Visual Basic, then expand your worksheet by clicking here, then expand your modules by clicking here, and then double click on the module which you want to protect. Double click here, then go to Tools, VBA Project Properties, go to Protection tab, Log for Viewing, and then type your password here. Press OK. So now you have assigned a password. Now in the next step we will see that how to save your worksheet which contains Excel VBA macros. So saving your workbook with macros or VBA code needs an XLSM extension instead of XLSX extension. So let us see that how to save your VBA macros enabled worksheet. First of all, go to File, Save As. I want to save it in D drive. Let us see. If I change the extension here from Excel macro enabled workbook to Excel workbook, see that what error we will receive. You will see the following features cannot be saved in VBA macro free workbook. So to continue saving a macro free workbook, click yes. So I don't want to save it as macro free workbook. I will press no and then choose another extension, that is Excel macro enabled workbook, and then change my name here, Excel series, and then save it. Now you see that our Excel VBA enabled workbook is saved. So now close it and then again open this workbook. You will see, just go to Developer tab, Visual Basic, double click on this and you will see a window which is asking for a password. Now you see we have unlocked our modules. Now you can go and edit them. So this is how VBA protection works. The moment you close your workbook, it will ask for password every time you reopen it. So this is how you protect or save your workbooks with Excel VBA macros or VBA codes. Thank you very much for watching this video and keep watching my upcoming videos in this series. See you soon guys.